Alrighty, the final piece to the puzzle has arrived. I don't know why, but they sent it in an extremely long box. To the point where it can't even fit in the garage if you were to stand it up vertically. And I don't think it's actually this long. As you guys may know, we just got front lips installed on the TTRS in the RS3, which was like a month ago. But I also ordered side skirts and back spat things for the RS3. But like I mentioned in the last video, Maxton is out of stock like 364 days out of the 365 days of the year. So yeah, we had to wait. But yeah, let's get right to unboxing this. And I know you guys are probably like, oh, it's just side skirts. Why are we making a whole video on this? Well, personally, I believe these change the look of the RS3 more than a front lip does. So let's get right into it. So let's unbox this thing. They do have like 3 different styles, and I got the most common one because the most common one is the best looking one. It's the one that kind of, I mean, you'll see, this thing's gonna look so good on this car. But it's the one, almost like if you want to show yours, actually it's kind of different, but it's where it pokes out a little bit, but it doesn't have like that aggressive poke out. Basically, one of the things he didn't want on his side skirts is he didn't want the side skirts that have the little like flick up at the end. It's not like straight down the side of the car, kind of like outwards. You're gonna see it, what I'm saying, once I open it, but. All right, there's no hardware in that, so that's over with. I'm assuming, I don't know if this is for the back of the, so it's just like the front lip. We gotta drill out the holes. And it's bolts. So like my S4 was
sure is those bolts for the side skirts though, or are those bolts for the rear spats?
Maybe it's for the rear spats. Do they not come with like self-threaders then? So we are gonna drill the holes because unfortunately Maxton does not drill it for you. So we're gonna do 5 and 5. So those are all the holes drilled. I'm not gonna be a degenerate like Hunter's prior owner who put 15 screws on each side underneath his car. But I did put 5 on my S4, and that held up flawlessly, so we're gonna go with 5 again. We're gonna mock up the side skirt. Kind of hard to tell. So that's the side skirt. Now we're gonna move on to the back spat. All right, so the back spats are actually held in bolt-wise because you can get underneath it, so we don't have to use self-tappers. We already pre-drilled the bumper because it required a lot of precision. But yeah, we're gonna bolt this up now. Just drill, if you already have the hole, drill the hole. Okay. I gotta be close. You can't just hold it there and then thread the other side? What do you mean? Oh yeah. That's good on the outside.
That's all that matters.
We finished up the install, and it is getting a little dark. Oh. Don't worry, Hunter's car does the same thing. Yeah, we're done with the install. We're gonna film some cinematics on a nicer day. That's gonna be the next clip. So let's get right into it.
the cinematics of the brand new side skirts and rear spats on the RS3. Let me know what you guys think of it. I personally think that it changes the car entirely. I know it seems like it's such a little cosmetic mod that everybody puts on their cars, but something with the RS3, I believe, brings out the styling across the side of the car so much better, especially with it being more raised up than like Hunter's car, for example. Hunter's car is slammed on the side skirts, so this kind of brings the center a little bit lower. One thing that Hunter and I had mixed feelings on was the rear. It looks good from the side view, but this part right here, I don't know, I have some mixed feelings on it. So let me know what you guys think, how it looks in the rear. All right, but that's gonna be it for the video. It's probably gonna be a short one after all the editing, but hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one.